Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create round logo in Canva, what you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to post your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to create round logo in Canva. First you need to go to Canva and log into your account and then click create a design. After that, type in the search bar logo, or you see this icon logo, just click here. And after that, you just can scroll down and you can choose any of the templates you have here, or you can start from the scratch. Okay, I will start from the scratch. Then just go to elements and then type circle. Okay, here you have shapes. Click see all. Or graphics. Okay, can choose this one. And increase the size. And after that you can choose, and here you can change the color. And here let's change the color too. And after that go to text and then add a heading, and here can type, for example, round logo. Okay, move this up. And after that go to effects and then scroll down and click curve. And then letter spacing. Okay, and then go to elements, and here you can type star. Okay, I can choose this one. Make it smaller. And duplicate. Okay, move it here. And then go to text. And then add a heading. And then here we can write for example, Canva logo. And move it down. And then go to effects and scroll down, curve, and then spacing, letter spacing, and after that, when you are happy with the logo, just click share and then download and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to create round logo in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.